Welcome to Mechanical Information channel. Aim of this video is about various international conferences are going to happen at reputed institution in the year of 2021 with the SCI and Scopus publications. Generally, conferences are used to share our research experience, knowledge and get good academic contact. Obviously need publication also. In this video, reputed institute and its mechanical engineering conference are going to discuss in detail. First one, online international conference on recent advancement in mechanical and industrial engineering, which is going to organized by Department of Mechanical Engineering, MANIT, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, India. So the detail of the event: paper submission is January 31st 2021. It is an online mode, online international conference. Regarding registration fee, if you are research scholar and student category, rupees 5,500 only. If you are faculty and academician, it is 1,000 rupees only. Regarding publications, all the accepted papers may be published in suitable journals. Second one, first international conference on recent development on materials, reliability, safety and environmental issue, which is going to organized by Department of Industrial and Production Engineering, also Department of Chemical Engineering, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar NIT, Jalandhar, Punjab. So this is a brochure, the organizing detail about the Jalandhar Institute, the theme of the conference. Here the call for paper and the detail of submission is given. Regarding full length paper, selected peer reviewed papers will be published in SCI Scopus indexed journal. Regarding registration fee, here online and offline mode given. It is understood that online presentation also possible. If you are student category and a research academician research institution category, the detail of the registration fee is given. Regarding third one, Congress on Advances in Material Science and Engineering, which is also going to organized by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar NIT, Jalandhar, Punjab. This is the home page of the conference detail. Here left side, the journal, special issue, important date, registration process are mentioned. So the regarding important date, 31st March 2020 is the paper submission date. Regarding publications, all the conference proceeding will be published in lecture notes mechanical engineering, which is Scopus indexed. A selected paper from the presented papers, selected papers are going to present in the following two Scopus indexed journal. Regarding registration fee, early bid registration and after early bid registration, two categories given. If you are student and academician, the details are mentioned here. Also one category award, it is mentioned. Those who are completed recently PhD, you can submit your PhD doctoral thesis and a possibility to get best thesis award also. Regarding fourth one, 2021 World Congress on Micro and Nano Manufacturing, which is going to organized by IIT Bombay, Mumbai, India. The paper submission deadline is 14th April 2021. This is the home page of conference detail. So here about the event, call for papers are given in detail. If you are clicked, you will get the detail about this one. So here those who don't wish to travel can opt for virtual online participation. It is understood that online presentation it is available. Here registration detail, early bid and regular registration details are available. and a paper submission. Regarding paper submission detail, submission link, and finally publications, all final paper accepted for presentation will be included in the e-proceedings. Also, selected paper will be considered for publication of is as a special issue in the following journals. Next, first international conference on applied analysis, computation and mathematical modeling in engineering, which is going to organized by Department of Mathematics, NIT Roorkela. So this is the conference homepage. Here you will get the conference topic and the publication detail. So here, so this is regarding registration. If you are student category, it is 1,000 rupees only. If you are academician, 2,000 rupees only. Regarding publications, so here Scopus indexed. The proposal will be submitted for publication of all accepted full-length paper in the proceeding, which is Scopus supposed to be Scopus indexed. Next one, 6th International Conference on Advanced Production and Industrial Engineering, which is going to organized by Delhi Technological University. So this is the home page. If you are clicked here, detail of the event, you will get the detail of the event. Before that, the publications detail. Here, lecture notes in mechanical engineering, Journal of Engineering Research, FME transaction, tribology industries are given. See here, this is the Scopus based publication, SCAE, Scopus Science Citation Indexed in expanded list journal, and then ESCA journals and Scopus indexed journals. Regarding the call for papers, so you will get the conference registration fee detail as well as important date. Here they made it round 1, round 2, round 3. Round 1 is completed, round 2 and round 3 are also available. So this already we discussed about the Scopus SCA list. The conference registration fee detail is given. So this is about international 7th one, International Conference on Machines and Mechanisms, organized by IIITDM Jabalpur, which is located in Madhya Pradesh. So this is conference homepage. Here you will get more about the conference. If you are clicked about the conference organizer list, then conference scope of the conference is mentioned. Paper submission detail is January 30, 2021. And regarding publications, the full length accepted and manuscript would be presented in the form of proceeding of the conference in Springer. Selected paper will be published in International Journal of Repute. Also best paper award also given in detail. Regarding registration fee, academician, research scholar, student category, they are given in detail. So this video is focused on top government institute conferences and its possible publications. Next video, remaining international conference at 2021 announced so far, particularly reputed private colleges across India. Thanks for watching and spending time to Mechanical Information channel. To encourage more videos, please subscribe Mechanical Information channel. Thank you.